Try again. There we go. That is what we are seeing. Let's just make sure you can see this okay. Good. So we have some LED lights on the side. So I will drive this forward. So forward is W. So I'm just going to press and hold W. And then we're going to turn it to the right, which is D. And we're going to verify that the camera can see this. Yep, can. So now that I've turned, I'm going to refresh. And that's going to show me updated picture eventually. Yeah, normally doesn't take that long. There we go. So we're looking into the bathroom. That's the direction it's facing. We're going to take the camera is going to go up. Try it again. There we go. So we're going to turn to the left. And update the picture. And then put the camera down. And then update the picture. See my wife's sewing station. So the things that I've got that work are WASD, so forward, backward, A for left, and D for right. And arm control, I didn't put the arm on because the wiring was just too tight. I couldn't get everything in there. And then we've got the camera control for up and down. Update that. I can actually look at the ceiling. I'm not sure if that's useful or not. Here's the ceiling. And then that's slightly down. When I power up, it goes up a little bit. We could change the speed, so we'll go that speed. We can go forward, backward, right, left. So I don't have to use the key commands over here. The other thing that I have will show is the police light, which is kind of interesting, but not all that useful. So turn it off, and track line is a sensor on the bottom, which is looking for a dark line on a white background. Automatic is for self-navigation. I don't have that stuff working yet. And motion get is using the camera to try and figure out if something is moving in front of it and follow it, I think. Anyway, that is about it for the demo. Right, now that we've done the demo, I'm going to SSH into the Raspberry Pi. And we're going to shut down. Shut down. I don't remember. It won't tell me what the actual command is. It doesn't tell me. It doesn't like that. Well, this will take a couple minutes for it to shut down, but it will actually get it done. And then after it shuts down, I will switch it off. And we'll probably take the batteries out.